What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman. We're gonna be talking about what to do when your motorcycle has been stolen. Oh shit! Man, that sucks if your bike was stolen. Sorry about that, but we're gonna talk about what you should do. All right, let's jump into it. First of all, call the cops. I mean, as soon as you realize that your bike is stolen, call the cops. Get them on the case. Get them on the case. Let them do what they need to do. That way they can generate a report for you, and trust me, you're gonna want that report, okay? So the sooner the better you call the cops, the sooner the better you get police and law enforcement on the case, the better you're off, you know, doing that. All right. I think that one's pretty self-explanatory, but this one, that looks like a fun little road, dirt road. I wanna take the FTR whenever I get it. Anyways, check the neighborhood. I'm in a neighborhood right now. It's gonna pretend that this bike was stolen. Somehow I'm still riding it, but I'm gonna check the neighborhood. Maybe the person that went and stole the bike just wanted to go for a joyride. You left your keys in there, like, oh cool, I'm gonna go ride. They parked it off to the side and took off. You know, who knows? Who knows? Check the neighborhood. Maybe it's somebody local in your little area that decided to take your bike and wasn't smart about it and just parked it in front of their house, and boom, they got caught. Who knows? Okay, so check the neighborhood, check the surrounding area for yourself. Let the cops do their thing after you've already talked to them. Check the neighborhood yourself. You know, maybe bring a friend or two. You know, just kind of look. Have a good time. You know, don't worry too much because you got insurance, right? Let's say that you parked it in like Walmart. Let's say it's not in the neighborhood. Let's say you didn't park it in front of your house. Let's say you parked it in front of Walmart or Target or a restaurant. Maybe there's witnesses. Maybe somebody saw somebody take a bike. You know, if you parked your bike in an area where, you know, there's plenty of light and people are gonna have to walk by here and there, maybe there was a camera that saw it. Maybe, I mean, the cops are gonna do their own investigation, but maybe there was a camera that saw it. Maybe there was somebody there that saw it. So it's gonna take probably, I don't know, a couple minutes, 5, 10, 20, 30, an hour for the cops to show up and start answering or asking questions. Who knows? Maybe your witness is gone. So as soon as you find out, call the cops and then start asking. Start asking around. Start asking if there's anybody that saw anything. All right, give you a description, whatever it is. Be proactive when it comes to your bike getting stolen. I mean, it's your baby. It's your baby. You love it. You love it. You want to keep it. All right. Remember when I said bring your friends? Bring your friends. Get your little army. Bring your own little army of friends. Ask around and look. You know, have them ask their buddies. Have them ask. You know, anybody that they know that, you know, let's say one of your friends is a part of a really big sport bike group or is a part of another group. Maybe they can ask their friends, and before you know it, it's like you got this network of people that are looking out for you. You know, maybe somebody heard something. Maybe somebody saw something. Maybe somebody works at a chop shop for some reason. I don't know why you're friends with that person, but maybe somebody knows somebody that works at a chop shop, and they just brought in a brand new 2012 Harley Sportster. And there you go. You got information. Who knows? Who knows? Speaking of chop shops, a lot of the reasons why sport bikes or any type of motorcycle is stolen is because they're going to be parted out. I mean, maybe you have a really nice exhaust. They're going to pull that thing off and sell it on eBay or Craigslist. So that's something that you really want to watch out for. So definitely check out eBay and Craigslist. eBay might be a little bit harder to pinpoint what is yours, but definitely, you know, if you have your VIN number and they post your bike on eBay with the VIN, it's pretty stupid of them, but you might be able to find out. Local, you know, Craigslist, you know, Let Go or whatever those places, those things, those apps, you know, the selling stuffs, private party is all about. You might be able to find your bike on there. Who knows? Call the cops if you do, and then boom, hopefully you get your bike back, right? Or you get some parts back. So really check all those things. It's if you really want your bike to be back and you want to be proactive about it, that's what you could do. So if you don't want to do any of that stuff, let's say you're like me and you don't have any friends and you don't have the time and you get super pissed off and you don't want to do anything when you're super pissed off, you just go home. Basically what I would do is just call the cops and let my insurance handle it. Simple as that. So call the cops, let them do the report and everything. I'm gonna turn right here. Let them call, oh, it's a dead end. Let them call the cops, let them do the report, and then thankfully I got comprehensive insurance. I got comprehensive coverage, guys. it's very important because if my bike gets stolen with my insurance, they're gonna do their own little investigation. They're gonna do all their stuff, and I'm gonna possibly get a new bike out of it. You know, I'm gonna possibly get enough money to buy myself a new bike, and that's the whole point of having comprehensive insurance, so that just in case something does happen, you got it. Now, there's different kinds of insurances out there, so definitely check with your local provider on, ask them. You'd be like, hey, you know, if my bike gets stolen, what insurance policy will cover that? There you go. So let the cops handle it, let the insurance handle it, go home, let them do their thing. Hopefully you get a check within a good, reasonable amount of time so you're able to replace your bike so you can go out riding again. But who knows? You can go and try a different bike now. This was a down and dirty video on what to do if your bike is stolen. Now, there's a lot of videos out there to prevent this. If you would like me to do a video on how to prevent it from getting stolen in the first place, we're gonna Tarantino this and do the whole, they got stolen, what do you do now, let's prevent it type thing, you know, start with the end in mind. Anyways, we're gonna, if you wanna see that, please write it in the comments, and we're gonna get to it because I want you guys to ride safe. I want you to be safe, and I want you to have a good time riding, all right? So with that, so if you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you later.